In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PowerPoint presentation with pictures on your laptop using the latest update. So, let's dive right in and get started. To begin, you'll need to open the Microsoft PowerPoint application on your laptop. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself at the main screen, where you can see options for different types of presentations. If you already have a specific presentation you want to work on, simply click on it. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, you can select New Presentation to open a blank canvas. This will be your starting point, where you'll actually create and customize your slides. Now that you have your presentation open, it's time to make it visually appealing by adding pictures. To do this, look towards the top of your screen where you'll find the menu bar. Here you'll see an option labeled Insert. Go ahead and click on it. The Insert tab is a powerhouse of creative options, giving you the ability to bring in various elements like pictures, charts, and more to enliven your presentation. Once you're in the Insert tab, you'll see a range of icons and choices. Here you'll want to focus on the Pictures option. Clicking on this will open up a dialog box that lets you browse through your computer's files. Navigate through your folders and select the images you'd like to incorporate into your presentation. You can choose multiple images if needed by holding down the Control key while you click for a more dynamic and visual storytelling experience. After you've selected your desired images, click Insert at the bottom of the dialog box. Your pictures will then appear on your current slide. Don't worry if they're not perfectly positioned right off the bat. You can easily resize and drag them to the desired location. Simply click and hold on the image to move it, and use the corner handles for resizing while maintaining the picture's aspect ratio. Take some time to arrange your pictures in a way that makes sense for your presentation's narrative. You might want to layer images or even add text boxes alongside them to convey your message more effectively. Remember, visually engaging presentations often leave a memorable impact, so be creative in how you lay out your slides. And there you have it. Your PowerPoint presentation is now more engaging with pictures. By following these simple steps, you can easily enhance your slides and present them with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create amazing presentations. See you in the next video.